What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Today was a good day. I love getting out for yard sales, so I'm obviously already went this morning. When I'm filming this intro, I've already went and did the yard sale. This was a good one. I really had a good morning. My wife had to work, so it was just me today. I found some really great stuff. I found something amazing for myself, personal item, but you could resell it for a lot of money. So stick around to the very end to see that. Let's get into this video. Do you know the last time somebody used a PlayStation?
What's that?
Do you know when the last time somebody used a PlayStation is?
I
don't know if we've ever played.
don't think we ever used it. We got that second hand.
Oh, okay. I think that's the cords for it. What do you want for it?
We have a PlayStation?
$20.
20 bucks. Yeah.
Is that the PS3? That's
Three. Yeah. I think they're up to 5 now. Yeah. I think this is the power cord for it. I'm trying to figure it out, but
I don't honestly know.
HDMI power cord controller.
I've never used it, so.
Yeah. What about the Xbox? That was yours too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last time we used it, it still worked.
Yeah. It's a 360. Did you do 20 bucks for that too? So like 40 for both?
Let me just check with my wife.
Okay.
'Cause I honestly don't know.
You don't know? That's okay. Yep, let me know.
20 each.
Yep, I'll do that. Let's see. I think I got a bunch of 5s, so might help. Cool. So, and then also the Lego thing there.
Yep.
Is Ninjago or whatever. What do you know what you want for it? I assume it's in here. I don't think it's open, is it? No? Maybe somebody taped it back together.
Yeah.
Like 5 bucks?
Yeah, $5.
Okay.
A lot
Do
of this
some
stuff
pieces. Counting the pieces, right? Will be the hard part.
A lot of this stuff has been in my basement and I've
Just
never
sitting
seen
around.
it before.
There you go. Okay. Well, I might throw these in my car and then come back over.
Okay.
Thank you. Try this.
Give it to Sandy. Over like there so she knows.
Hey, grab a few bucks here anyway. They're 10 cents each, is that right?
Yep, 10 cents each.
It took, I thought it had like actual, oh yeah. just give you $1. That's fine. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Honestly, 10 cents a book for these R.L. Steins is really good because I'm just going to throw them in my antique booth for probably like maybe $3 or $4 a piece, something like that. Wound up giving her, obviously you see me give her $1. I think that's fair. I do pick these up at the Goodwill bins when I see them, and that's what they do. I just wind up throwing them in my antique booth, so happy with them.
One or the other, that's for sure. Well, we used to take those things for the eggs. Can't bring all the time. Make sure you didn't break your eggs. That's a nice little tiny.
I have that, and I actually find the tinier ones cook way better.
Really?
Well, look at that. Hold the dog in the ear.
Oh, what are these? It's like a napkin holder? Is that what those were?
Yeah. Place card holders.
Place card holders, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, they're cool. The king. Oh yeah, place card holder. Yep. Cool. Alrighty. I'll grab these guys anyway.
Okay.
$2. Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great morning.
You too.
What did you want for your wand here? $5?
Yeah.
Do you remember where you got it from?
I don't have any idea. Don't
I'll
know.
definitely grab it. Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was actually, I don't think it's one of the ones from right from the park, but maybe.
It might be.
Yeah. Cool. That guy.
Oh, it does, yeah.
Thanks.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
$1. I think she said she.
You're gonna break it one way or the other. Yeah. Huh. Interesting.
Nobody has the room anymore.
Yeah, we don't. We have we've got a little 4x4 bar table with like high chairs, and that's all the room we have. Yeah.
Yeah, we're the same way. We used to put it up for Christmas dinners, eh?
Yep.
And then there was no room to sit.
Yeah, that's the problem.
No chairs. Did somebody buy them?
They might have bought it. Well, I'll tell them to bring it back.
No, I had 3 jars out of the
3
car.
jars? Oh,
I had 3 of them.
I never.
Buy the jars there? They must have.
Yeah, I don't see them.
Well, I looked in there too, and
That's
I
okay.
was setting them up here, and they must have left. There's There were nice ones too, right? The glass tops.
Oh
I
yeah.
had 2 more here.
Oh well, I think they've
Oh
gone.
gosh.
That's okay. Put beams and that in it, you know, but it's still nice. It's the color I like.
Well,
You know,
can't get that stuff probably anymore, eh?
in the antique store, and you pay an arm and a leg.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bank manager too.
Crown bottles.
That's nice.
Yeah. What do you want for that thing?
Hey Derek, what do you want for this gum machine, is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Or peanuts?
Yeah.
Well, how much was that there, sir?
$2? Sure. How's that? Yeah, he got it down.
Sounds better than $1.
Yeah, he got it down for 2.
Yeah,
Oh, I have to teach her. What happened to the other ones like you were sitting here? Did they go?
There's some over here.
Oh, there. You moved them.
Yes. Because I'm trying to keep everything together. I'm trying to keep things together. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, here.
One of our coffee friends had a hard time too. His fingers don't work good. So he puts exact change in his pocket. Then he teases everybody because sometimes I just help him.
Oh yeah.
But he says, "Oh, she was in my
That
pocket,
beetle hat
in
is
my
going
pocket."
for at least
I said,
$30.
"No, I
Is it
wasn't."
30? Okay, I wasn't sure.
No, they're rare, right?
Yeah.
They're rare. That's a good hat.
I remember buying my mom this album for her birthday or something
I
in
reduced it from
2008.
40. I reduced it from 40 already.
Yeah.
Is that good?
No, it's too much for me. It's cool though. I think it's really cool.
Yeah, you can't get them.
Yeah, I'm sure they're hard to find. Yeah, the cars are in there.
Cutest glass of lemonade I've ever gotten in my life.
Hopefully I don't break your chair. I don't know if it's mom packed.
Yeah, these things are cool. Are they like 3D printed?
Yes.
Yeah. Very cool. Hi.
You all set?
Oh, these are the shopping cart things, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are cool. I'm gonna grab this thing from you.
Sure. Yeah.
You wouldn't do 5 for the other one, would you? The train one?
Pardon me?
You wouldn't do 5 for the train one too? I think you got 10 on it. Would you? Yeah. All right, I'll grab both of them then.
All right. Thank you. Sounds good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So these guys are used to secure. You actually mounted this one.
How much is your lemonade?
Whatever you'd like.
Whatever. How about $1? Is that okay?
Amazing. What do you say, buddy?
One in.
Yeah, I get that.
So it's just that's a
Yes. So those. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Take good care.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Have fun. Hi.
You know what you want for this thing? 40?
Yeah.
Do you think it's missing? No, I guess that's not missing anything. I thought maybe it was missing a wheel, but I can see it's stuck under there. Yeah. Did you look up what it's worth, kind of? Is it worth 40?
Oh, it's
More than that?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1983. All right, I'll tell you if I'll pay you 40 or not in a second.
I told them to stay here. Or go climb back up.
If you want. What are you make all the strawberries? They don't make these.
So, can I show you just what's going? So, like this one. So you're right. It's probably worth 40 bucks, right?
Oh yeah.
But the ones that are going to be worth anything have more, like the
Oh, I know.
box and the
Yep.
manual. Like that. The reason why this one's 90 instead of 40 is because it has just the paperwork. That's it.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, I totally.
Yeah. Because yeah, there's some listed super high.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'll say 40 and.
Yeah. I think someone will probably give you more than I would. I'd give you like 10 bucks, which I'm
Oh,
sure
yeah,
you want more than
I
that.
know.
Yeah. Yeah. That's cool. Thank you. Somehow I deleted the footage of me actually buying this little dump trailer. I think it's rated for like 600 and some pounds. It's 10 cubic feet, I guess. Don't know a lot about it. It's got a little hitch on the back there. The cool thing is I've been looking for one of these for myself for when we bought the quad. That's something we wanted, as a little dump trailer to do yard work and stuff like that. When I tried to price them out locally, I was gonna have to spend like $1,000, $2,000, depending how big I wanted. I just wanted something little like that. I found the exact same one on Amazon for about $900,000. I'll throw up the listing right now. I was gonna buy one like that used from somebody a little while ago, and they sold it before I got a chance to actually go get it. That was gonna be $450. I actually only paid $150 for that. So that's really awesome. That's probably my best pickup of the day. Now that's for me personally. I probably could flip it for $400 if I wanted to pretty easily, but I also need one and I don't want to go spend the money on it. So I was willing last week to go. I went out to a local shop and looked at a small dump trailer, and I think they wanted $2,000 for the one that I was interested in. And it wasn't that much different than this one. And I didn't know that one actually was on Amazon for $1,000, or I would have been considering that. So it's cool that I found that. That's probably the find of the day, to be honest. Today's haul, pretty good. I was really happy. I kicked it off with the video game stuff. That's cool. A couple of consoles. Found some neat stuff. I don't know. The Beatles hat, I found that interesting. I don't know why that guy thought it was worth so much money. I would have probably bought it and threw it in my booth for 10 bucks maybe. Yeah, and then the G.I. Joes, interesting. Not G.I. Joes, I guess it is G.I. Joe, but the Jet, that was kind of interesting too. I think that lady will sell that for 20 bucks maybe later today. I don't know. I thought about giving her my phone number and saying I'd be interested in it, but probably $40 online would be a lot for that. I don't really know that much about collectible toys like that, but when I looked it up, it's like just the Jet looked to be 30, 40 bucks. I don't know if it's complete because I don't really know that much about it. And then I seen after, I think just like the little soldier that was in the front could have sold for 30 bucks. So maybe I could have paid up and parted it out. I don't know. I think she's totally fine to ask whatever she wants for it. Stuff like that never really does bother me. So, you know, if you want to ask $40 for your item, that's awesome. Hopefully somebody comes by that wants it and pays $40. I certainly buy things to flip it, so I don't expect anybody to give anything away for free. So it's kind of funny. People sometimes get annoyed by that at yard sales. I mean, you know, your front yard is not eBay. You're not going to get eBay prices, but you can still ask whatever you want, and I think that is totally fair. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content, and we will see you soon.